with it.
Or him can probably get one of the first socks then, the puffy socks then.
Yeah, friller, you know the frilly socks then.
Yeah, Mike can get that.
Unband.
Headband.
Headband.
Yeah, it's coming
The
there.
headband on
They
the
put over there
socks.
with the socks match.
I'm tell you, come here, more them in case anything, if it not, we can add on and see what look good with it. And, you know, so we have things that we can pick from.
You want more one option like food certain things.
Okay.
Yeah. More than one something, guys.
So even, alright, so you definitely like that dress. So even if you get like a straight white dress, it would have worked too?
Straight white?
Yeah.
No, it's good man.
That one.
Yeah, one is well. One is well.
Alright, yeah, and the slippers much so cute with it. But true, nice, you know. And you know, some I think you want a socks to go with it. It's alright.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
For the slippers you ever take?
No, because I think, but I know, socks don't fuck up on this, you know.
Yeah, no.
I know, but I say, if I carry this, I over this, if I want to take this off,
Yeah,
okay.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So that's what I want on socks, in case anything.
Okay.
Should I wear man? Go on the other. They want to tell me.
Guys, you know what I talk about? A 4 socks this?
No, two.
You can buy, you
You can buy a pair. You have to buy the whole set, you can buy a pair, you can get a pair. There's 2 pair right there, you understand?
Can understand.
we have, as I say, we have some fur socks next to it, or some puffy ones.
Yeah, cream socks. Would that go better for you?
The cream one, this one is it? This one is it? That's all.
Wait, guys, Crooks look good though. One by one look of slippers, hold on. Yeah.
I like Crocs.
Yeah, this is your turn. What's up this number?
Oh, this is cute. That's cute.
Mushkin, this is jump off her foot, you know? It's a jump off, I forgot to watch her foot.
So you put this one on the back.
Yeah.
So put all our foot in there so it not come off.
4. This can I fit her, no?
Yeah, the zippers.
Yeah?
Yeah, we fit her, man. Yeah.
This one though, that big. No. This big? This down big.
I should maybe they want to see it over the phone.
Yeah, just looking at on. Alright, looking at okay. You know Crocs have something of body, right? We can't let it look out that job. But look. I reckon that one here.
No.
Yeah.
You say one of super zero, don't you?
Yeah. Like that. Or you want headband?
You want the headband? Oh, remember we show the one that come with the socks and the headband together.
Some headband by themselves.
Yeah, we have headband by themselves.
The board.
Oh.
Yes,
Gold. You have no gold and white one also? Match with the dress?
Check them out the next.
That's good.
Yeah, we're gonna when you go cash it now.
Yeah, we can.
The tower downstairs at your
No. Right, like when you come up the step. Put it right this way.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right coming up the stairs.
Right on the steps.
Alright, well. Let me see that time there, sir. Oh, no, I'm not alright.
Hold on, let's see this.
Yes, this stick. We'll use that. Oh, we get it.
This look good. We know more want. Them are right?
Yeah.
12 pack.
Yeah.
I want one of that too. Let me see the color in there, right?
From Instagram.
Only one type though.
See, plenty more.
Same one.
Possible for you to send a
Yeah, the back. Yeah.
Oh, blue one there.
And I said, come on.
I see something over the
Say
side.
to the round one and look.
Them eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the back. See even one with pattern and.
Them are like Antica though.
Eh?
Yeah, they do.
Them like Antica. Better quality than them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
them
them
one
thicker,
thicker than them ones.
We put it up.
Nika kill my one.
Don't worry, sir. Miss out.
Alright. Store name, please.
British Kids Closet.
British Kids Closet.
British Kids Closet.
Yeah.
Right behind the JUTC bus park in Alpha
Yeah, man. Right behind the JUTC bus park, guys. Alright, let me catch it, man. The wish list, my son put out the wish list. Hold on, look.
Can I have my kit?
Hey, no. Come on. Come on, can I stay now?
Buzz.
God, may I come back. I come back up here. You come out fast, because I have some more things to go sort out.
From Instagram, British Kids Closet 1. Samantha Appleby. Good afternoon. You still have the school bag. And British Kids Closet 1. Samantha.
Guys, see back them there.
Okay, alright, no problem. Nothing. Alright, when I talk to Owie?
Hercules,
Yeah.
Yeah?
come lift up that bag there, no?
Hercules, come lift up the bag.
Yeah.
Hercules, you know?
Lift up the bag, put it up this way. I'm just telling a woman to come stop me, she's too.
Them have one time Mushkin go to school. Hey, that's such a bad, you know? She get her 8 piece with it. That's such a nice, you know, guys? Yeah, the headband. Oh. Remember the headband here?
Is that true?
Remember the headband here?
Oh, you want a headband?
Yeah.
Come show the chat the headband then.
I them not listen, yeah. The one, and I think we're growing ahead.
Yeah, they
Oh, you want to go round? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You have to go look in this.
Guys, don't. Which goal on? Wait, want to see it, guys?
You do everything?
No, just the slippers and all that.
Are that goal on the attack? Yeah, then you come like a bow, man.
Shall I have ear? Enough ear?
No, really enough here.
I look on them gold clip there.
British closet.
British kids.
Yeah, British kids closet. Just type it in pan browser, cause that me do, guys. Me just do my research and find one quick and come.
What is it? What is it?
You know, you see them still, I like them. Them I gotta look good with it, guys, trust me. And then light.
Unknown caller.
Yes, we do. That's a good man. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, them nice, man. I know them they are comfortable.
Alright, 38,000 for the one up right now.
Them they are comfortable, man.
Blue, I think they have blue and burgundy the red.
From Instagram, British Kids Listen 1. Can I see
Yes,
my
darling.
$3,800, please?
Yeah, I remember the headband.
Yeah, the socks, no?
So do you have the slippers and that? No, get me the weekend, I want to get tired. So, come get me. Take me to get. Oh, sorry, you have one bag. Hi. Michelle.
Michelle, Michelle. That's so sick.
Oh, right now, I have on the neck brace. It's but I left in Nike, but now a doctor I just come from, but I could go on like and go up there. So. But I have everything in Nike. When I go in Nike, I put on that. What? Tomorrow?
Advance?
Yeah.
You pull up this car and put it back on and do it. When I run over there.
My...
Now come here.
Yeah. Me LSB, all that guys. You're good man. It kinda hurt me. I forgot to try to get something to eat. Food. So then I know what to my neck yet. Me do X-ray. And I wait for the result. I think about Friday or something I come back down here. But in the meantime, just get some medication, antibiotic and painkiller and everything. And the neck brace, you know what I mean? But it's serious because it get worse. I don't feel like I'm stressed, you know.
The first one. No, the bottom one. Yeah, bottom one.
Umbrella take the
So we can...
The bottom one only.
The bottom one, sir?
Yeah. That comes with it.
Yeah?
Have the color as well.
If you like a pink one...
You prefer the pink one?
You prefer pink one?
Yeah.
No, the bottom one is so now the pink one more closer, it look better to me. Or if you know no gold and white though. Alright, me shop one for the headband.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, I go walk home to that one there. Gold? Yeah, our cream one can work. Our cream one can work. Gold and white. Ready? Oh.
Alright, so your total is 16, not drop it down to 13, yeah?
Yeah.
This one.
Alright, thanks.
The boomerang them here with the sauce?
Yeah.
It's the same same. Love to pull up the things then.
I'm gonna leave it in there. What's that there? Hello. What's the box up right there?
I forgot. If I get the Mushkin ears pierced, you know. Yeah, man, yeah.
You give them the location, though.
Yeah,
You
man.
tell them.
Yeah, man.
Alright, thanks, yeah?
Yeah. Man, I didn't want to connect. Yeah, I didn't want to connect. I wonder what me I go here now, because I don't buy my thing yet.
Where's the bro? You're telling me big 330? If that 230 different, but 39 you been there, right?
Yes.
Oh, if the 39, I 30 is 230.
One thing before, something like, I feel like they just code on something there, so guys. What's my there, bro? They just code on the stuff. Just a different type of dress in that, man. Excuse me. Is that what you have back here? I don't like come at town, you know. I don't like come at town, you know. Oh, I'm going to find out that carrier now. I'm sure. Black key, brother. Don't like come at home. I can't bother with the bungle. Girl, thank you so much. I don't like the bungle. Hold on. Yeah, I didn't but it now something like Mushkin asleep, you know? Alright, CJ. We'll have fun. I just turn the flip the show up on there. Well, I'm chilling. Mushkin asleep. So, but I never get my clothes and all. I feel like I go around and probably on my so I see me can get it. Yeah. Well, try to pull it again.